but it never meant to me. But I learned how to swim and I learned who I was. A lot about living and a little about love.
Hindi ka mo na-export mo ka sa
Well, we fogged up the windows in my old shed. I was willing, but she wasn't ready. So I settled for a burger and a grape snow cone. Dropped her off early, but I didn't go home. Down by the river on a Friday night, a pyramid of cans in the pale moonlight. Talking about cars and dreaming about women. Never had a plan, just a living for the minute. Yeah, we